Today we are going to start our the previous chapter, that is chapter 4. That is, what is chapter 4? Geometry, basic geometrical idea. So now today we will solve exercise, that is exercise 4.2. Before starting this exercise, we will discuss some basic concept of related this exercise. Okay. So we will discuss. First one is simple curve. Simple curves means a curve is a path drawing on a sheet of paper or board without lifting the pencil and without retracing any part of the path except for single points. Or we can say, if a curve does not cross itself, then it is called simple curve. Suppose this is a simple curve, this one is a simple curve, simple curves, simple curves. So here, okay, so here, so without lifting, this is a simple, this is a, suppose this one here, without lifting our pen or pencil and without cross. But in this case, there is one there crossed, the curve crossed itself. Here this curve crossed itself. So it is not a simple curve. So it is not a, this one is not a simple curve. It is not a simple curve. Okay. Now we will discuss about open figures. The figures having different beginning and end points are called open figure. Suppose this is a figure starting from here and this is, so this is end point, suppose A, and here beginning point A and end point is B. So different end and different beginning point and end point. So this is called, this is, what is this? This is one open figure or open curve. Then suppose this one also starting, suppose P and this is Q. So this is called, what is it? This is called open figure. You can write this one also. This is also starting, suppose C and then M. Starting and beginning are different points. Their beginning and end points are not same. Then it is called open figure. And if the figures having the same beginning and end point are called closed figure. Suppose this is starting from A and close also, beginning or starting from A and end point also A. Suppose A, B, C. This one starting from A and this one and close or end point also A. So this types of figures is called closed figure. Suppose the P, starting from P, this one also closed figure. Okay, this is closed figure. Closed figure. So what is the difference between open and closed figure? One is end point and beginning point and end point, both are different, and there is no difference between beginning point and end point. Okay, so this is the difference between open figure and closed figure. Now we will discuss about polygon. What is polygon? A simple closed figure made up of line segments only is called a polygon. That is line segment only. This is closed figure made up of line segment only. So this is a polygon. Starting from A and beginning from A and beginning point A and end point A. So this is a closed figure first of all. And which closed figure? Now we'll discuss a closed curve divides the plane into 3 points. One is interior points, exterior points, and boundary. Suppose this is a closed curve. Okay. One point, suppose point is A. Another point, this is suppose name is B. Suppose third one is P. So this point, what is the situation of this point? This is in the circle or in the closed figure. This is outside of the B, point B, outside of the closed figure. This is lying on the this is boundary. Okay, that is why we will say there are the closed curve divides the plane into 3 points. This is point is one is interior point A, point B is exterior point, and boundary this is point P is boundary. Okay, the points lying inside the closed figure, inside the closed figure or closed curve is called interior point. Interior is called interior. Similarly, the point lying outside the curve, outside that is B, outside the curve, outside the, or you can write outside the closed curve is called exterior point or exterior. So, and here the point lying on the curve constitute the boundary. This is the point lying on the, this is here on the boundary. Okay, the points lying on the curve constitute its boundary. Okay, constitute its boundary. Okay, so 3 part. Now you write down this point. Define the following, that is simple curves. Now you write down, and open curve, closed curve, interior point, exterior point. Okay, start our exercise 4.2. Okay, so question number 1, classify the following as one open or closed figure. So first one, this one, open means there are different beginning point and end point. Okay, different beginning and end point. And so here, suppose this is beginning point A and closed point is, this is closed point is B. So difference, so it will be open figure. Similarly, this one is suppose P, this one is Q, so this one also open figure. Okay, and there is suppose this one starting from suppose one point, that is X, starting from X, and also this is ending point, end point also X. So this is beginning and having beginning and end point same, then it is called closed figure. So this is closed figure. They are also starting suppose M, N, P, starting from N and closed also, end also, end. So beginning and end point both are same. Here also, if this is A, B, C, D. Starting from suppose B or A, so beginning point and that is close point. Both are or end point both are same. Beginning and end point both are same. A point A. That is why it is also what? Closed figure. So this is closed figure. This is closed figure. So this is closed. Not closed. Closed. Closed figure. Closed figure. This one also closed figure. Okay. Is that clear? Now, second question is draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. One is open curve, second one is closed curve. Open curve and closed curve. So you know, according to question number 1, this is open. Suppose this one is open curve A, suppose point B. Beginning point is A and end point is B. So this is open, this is open, this is open, this is open. Okay, this is open. And closed curve, this is closed curve, this type of polygon. So closed curve. So or suppose square. All are closed curve. Okay, so this is closed curve. This one also diagram of closed curve. Is that clear? You can draw any type of figure of diagram. Number 5. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. A closed curve that is not polygon. So this is polygon. Okay, suppose this is polygon. This is polygon. This is polygon. Okay, but not polygon. Polygon. What is the polygon? That is straight line, having straight lines. Okay, they have straight lines. But if this is a curve, and this is closed curve, but there is no straight line. So it is a, what is this? This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, this is a closed curve that is not a polygon. This one. All are polygon, all are polygon, all are polygons. But it is not polygon. Closed curve, all are closed curve. It is closed curve, but not polygon. All they are closed curve, but polygon. So this is the example. A polygon with two sides. Fine, a polygon with two sides. And what is polygon? Polygon is a closed curve. First of all, closed curve. But if we draw two sides, then it is not possible to draw one closed curve. So if we draw three sides, then we can write one closed curve. We can draw one closed curve. So this is polygon. What is polygon? We know a closed curve having straight line segment. Okay, line segment 1, 2, 3. And poly means many. Poly means many. Polygon is what? It is a closed figure. It is not a closed figure. So it is not possible to draw a closed figure with two sides. So what is this? This is not possible. This is not possible. Okay. I think and I hope you have understood what we have learned today, and you will learn this one. And I am sending one homework also. You will send this one. Okay. You will solve this homework. Thank you. Okay, write some homework, short questions. Fill in the blanks. A dash car does not cross itself. Question number 2. A closed curve has dash part. Question number 3. A polygon is a simple closed curve figure made up of dash dash. Question number 4. A dash is a four-sided polygon. Question number 5. Question number 5. Center of a circle is the dash part. A polygon having, question number 6, a polygon having least number of sides is a dash. Write two true or false questions. A simple curve can be either open or closed. A circle has two parts. Give some example. Write examples of simple closed curve, A simple curve, B closed curve, C open curve, D polygon. Okay, so you write this answer and learn. Thank you.